If you have Dyson V10, 11, V15 and have issue like I do with the broken wheel like this, you don't have to replace all the extension. You can buy something like this right here. I'm gonna leave the description in the link in the description. I'm sorry. They have a few bolts to remove. One very important one, it's under this sticker right here. Then two bolts right here. Right here, one and two more. It's gonna be right here. If you look at this one, it's on the side right here. So right here, one. I have to remove the wheel to remove another one. I'm doing this first time myself. It's nothing on internet, so we're gonna do this together. Once again, Canary industry, you can do it, we can help. To be continued. Okay, so in my case, I found this kind of tool right here. Like this, has to be like a little star. And you have to open all these nuts and bolts. Okay, to be continued. Okay, so then you have to, I replaced already, so you have to remove this, and then you have to remove this, and remove this. Then you go this all the way to this plug. You need to have a special tool to push these pins out upon this piece so you can remove the wires that go inside. Make sure you have a diagram how they go back. I didn't. I got thanks God I have this video, so because they go around here, then goes under this on a back. Have a special clips over there. So it's kind of difficult. Out of the 10, I would say it's 10 because of the wires. If would be no wires, so basically you have to take everything this apart, separate this piece so you can pull out this out. Then you have to split this with stuff inside and make sure that you don't break no wires. Then you have to disconnect right here those plugs, special pin pull so they go out. Okay, good luck. We have to be continue. Final thing, tire wheels is on. Wheels is on. Advice: take like a cardboard and dry this nozzle and put the bolts where they go, because some of them is doesn't fit anywhere. Okay, you can help, you can do it, you can help, or you can do it, we can help. Bye. Okay, that's the broken one, and this is working now. Tire wheels here and wheels here. Canary industry, you can do it, we can help. Text me with any questions.